What I wish I knew before my first big catch. Amberjack facts that'll hook you in. First up, did you know amberjacks can grow up to 6 feet long? That's taller than most people. Next, these fish are fast. Amberjacks can zip through the water at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Talk about fish on the run. Third fun fact. Amberjacks are known as the reef donkeys because they're so strong and stubborn. Yeah, they'll give you a serious workout on the line. Here's a cool one. They change color. When they're excited or stressed, their body color can shift. It's like a mood ring but fishier. And finally, amberjacks are social butterflies. They like to hang out in groups, making them the life of the underwater party. So next time you're fishing, keep an eye out for these amazing fish. You never know what cool facts you'll discover.